crossed into Grand Teton National Park.
From T-Town to the Tetons.
I would never get tired of this view.
Oh, no.
These views alone have made my day.
Oh, yeah. Awesome, isn't it?
Alright, you're gonna have to get the park pass out.
Okay.
Grand Teton National Park. Entrance station.
Howdy. Let me snap it. Have a great day.
Did you put it in your pocket?
Yes, I did.
Nice. Thank you. You buckle it up?
Yeah, I buttoned it down.
Okay, good. That little card, that little park pass, saves us a lot of money.
Yeah,
And
I'm going to save you a lot of money.
huh?
That commercial at home, that guy, I'm going to save you a lot of money.
Yeah, it does. It's worth every bit of $80.
Oh, yeah. That was probably like 40 or...
That would have been $35 a piece per bike.
So $70 to get our bikes in.
Just this park, and then we have to pay to get in Yellowstone.
Yeah.
Be bear aware.
So, it says we got 120 miles to go.
$120 miles, which that just shows you how huge these parks are. We are in Grand Teton Park, and then we'll enter Yellowstone, and it's still 120 miles to get to Gardner, Montana, just outside of Yellowstone.
Wow.
That's why we just couldn't see everything we wanted to see last year. The park is just huge.
Oh, it's ginormous. 35.
Yellowstone is 23 miles.
I kind of miss seeing that mountain in the front.
I know. Wow.
That's pretty.